What's up, guys? Today we're going to work or learn an extra powerful design software for architectures and civil and structural engineers called Chief Arhitect Premier. We're going to get started with this software where I will show you the basics of how to open a plan file and a layout file in Chief Architect. After you receive the plan file and the layout file, make sure you save them in the same folder. So you can see I have a plan file here, and I have a plan file and a layout file. So I'm going to open the plan file. Open, you can see the type is plan. If you change to layout, we want to open the plan first. Okay, now we can go ahead and open the layout file. This is mainly used by structural engineer and architect in Hadoop project. That is house Hadoop ADU. That is, I think, framed post or timber framed structures. So this is the architectural plan, and you can see the layout. We'll go to the plan view. Now, in the plan view, you can see there are different views where you can explore here these different views. We start. We can change this one to none. The current view will be retained. You can change to working plan view. Done. You can see the working plan view. These are the cameras. You can see the electrical plan view. Therefore, you can use even electrical engineers use this particular software to do the electrical plans. Let's go to floor plan dimension. Now, if you open this, you might notice that perhaps you don't have this. I think they're called building framing. That is, you can see these posts where they are located. The stud for these particular walls. So this one, to change the settings, you need to pick select, and then can select any, and then go to building framing. You want to change this one to wall. You generate the automatic framing. And then if I click, you go to structure or wall types, exterior. You can define here. I'll change this one from new to in exteriors or exterior 6 and or interior 6. That is the 2x6 stud walls. I'm looking for exterior 6. This is interior 6. I think this is the exterior wall. Okay. Then You will change to plan the floor plan view shell, change to framing. Now if you check here, you can go down one floor where you can see the foundation plan, go down up floor where you can see the roof plan. So I'll go back to the ground floor. You can see the floor plan view, framing, roof. You can see the roof plan view, kitchen and bath plan view, mechanical plan view. You can see the flood plan view, right? And finally, roof plan view. But if you go to the this story, you're not going to be able to see the roof. So you need to be able to move up or down to see what you really need. Then you can go to terrain plan view. Now you can export these in form of PDF or DWG based on your needs, or DXF. Now I can go back to framing roof plan, roof view. And then you can see these tools here. So this one will help you to design. If you want to design wall, you activate this railing, curved wall, door, etc. My next video will focus on how to do a simple house plan, to draw the walls, add the doors and windows and dimensions here in Chief Arhitect Premier. You can go to orthogonal view. You can check the cross section, orthogonal, or orthogonal framing view. But the problem is I don't have the graphics capable of viewing this particular view. But if I go maybe to export in form of PDF or DXF, then you'll be able to see my plans. So if I save the PDF, I will save it in my desktop. Similarly, if you do the same thing in DXF, you're going to be able to export your plans. So I think this one is the one we're looking for. I have so many files here in Chief Arhitect. Now this is a framing. So this software is very powerful, and it's being in use in the industry, helping civil engineers and architects to be able to do these projects using automated, so it makes your work easier. And even someone with not very much experience can be able to come up with very good plans. If you're using Chief Arhitect, It is used in, as you can see, mechanical and also electrical plants, and also civil and structural engineers, and also architectures. So guys, I will end this video for now. In my next video, I will focus on how to create a simple plan in Chief Architect. You can create maybe a one-story ado or timber post frame building here in Chief Architect Premier. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.